Here is how you can enable or disable dark mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable or disable dark mode on TikTok. So let's start. First of all, open TikTok and log into your account. After you open TikTok, go to your profile. From the profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Then go to settings and privacy. As you scroll through the settings and privacy, you will find a display option on the content and display section. Tap on the display section and you can either enable or disable dark mode. However, since I just downloaded the TikTok app, there is no display section on my settings screen. In case you are also having a similar problem, then what you can do is scroll below and go to report a problem. Then after, scroll all the way below and tap on submit a report. After that, type in your feedback saying the display option is missing from your settings. After you type your feedback, simply tap on submit and the report will be submitted to the moderators. It might take a couple of days before they fix the issue. Then after, the option to enable or disable dark mode will appear on your TikTok account. So in this way, you can enable or disable TikTok dark mode. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.